वालेकुम गाइस कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं? तो गाइस जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वो है केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम के बारे में। तो हम आज केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम पढ़ेंगे। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। डिफाइन केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम इन टर्म ऑफ रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन अंडरस्टैंडिंग with right both the forward and reverse reaction and describe the microscopic characteristics of each. Applying define law of mass action, understanding drive and expansions of for the equilibrium constant and its unit, applying state the necessary condition of the equilibrium and the way that equilibrium can be recognized, understanding and write the equilibrium constant expansion of a reaction. Generally, we presume that most chemical and physical change proceed to completion. A complete reaction is one in which all the reactants have been converted into products. However, most chemical reaction does not go to completion because of products. Reactants reacts themselves to form the reactants. As a result, after some time, no further change take place. Quantities of reactants and products remain unchanged, and it seems that the reaction has stopped. In fact, these reactions do not stop, rather they take place on both directions at equal rate and attain the equilibrium state. Such reactions are called reversible reactions. Many examples of physical and equilibrium are found in nature. We owe our existence to equilibrium phenomena taking place in atmosphere. We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, while plants consume carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This nature process is responsible for the existence of life on the earth. Many environment systems depend for their existence on delicate equilibrium phenomena. For example, concentrations of gases in lake water is uh, indirectly related engage like government by the principle of equilibrium. The layers of aquatics, plant and animals are indirectly related to concentrations of dissolved in oxygen in water. In a chemical reaction, the substances that combine are called reactants, and new substances formed are called products. When H2 and OH reactants combine, they form H2O products. Most of the reactions in which all the reactants products do not combine to form reactants is called irreversible reaction. They are supposed to complete and all represented by putting a single arrow between the reactants and products. On the other hand, reactants in which the products can be recombined to form reactants is called reversible. This reaction never go to completion. They are represented by double narrow arrows between reactants and products. This reaction proceeds in both ways. They consist of two reactions, forward and reverse. So a reversible reaction is one which can be made to proceed in earlier direction depending upon the condition that us discuss. A reaction between hydrogen and iodine, because one of the reaction iodine in purple while the products hydrogen in iodine is colorless. The proceeding of the reaction easily observable on heating. Hydrogen and iodine vapors is closed flask. Hydrogen iodine is formed. As a result, purple color of iodine fades and it reacts to form colorless hydrogen iodine. This is called forward reaction and chemical equilibrium.